Hey there, Boots Owen here. A neighbour gave me this fellow. You already know what it is from the thumbnail probably, or the title. It's a, let's see, Swan brand, catalogue number 950, 230 volt, 500 watt, made in England. Shake crumbs out here. Toaster, 2-slice bread toaster. So put your bread in, close it up, take it out, turn it around, no automatic, nothing like that. And the only dangerous thing is here, the cable is a bit chewed up. I'm gonna plug it in and see if it fuses the house. Let's do that right now. Oh, if I don't have something there, it makes the camera flicker. It doesn't have a switch. It is live now. There's heat coming off it. Seems to be just working. That flicker's annoying. Yeah, it's just working. There isn't much more to it. I could rewire it, I could clean it up. Let's plug it out, because I find it a bit sketchy, this whole thing, but let's see what I need underneath. A spanner to get in there. So we need some kind of a socket to get in there. This one will do. So this looks like a crumb tray slash electrical housing. What am I stuck on here? Alright, there's very little to it. So a ceramic block, earth. I might just have a go with rewiring this while I'm here, because I don't like that. And it's not that I think it's safe. It's nice and warm now. It's not that I think it would be safe to do. They're all covered in little ceramic beads. It's not that I think it'll make it safer. Well, I think it will make it safer, but the cord will still, it's a silk covered rubber cord that has perished. So I don't think it has a live and a neutral. Well, it definitely does, but I don't think it matters. But it'll be black and red on the cord, probably. So it's got a crimp ring on it. Now, how could I get this out of here? I don't know if I'm wasting my time on this. If I just pull it, no, it's stuck in on the rubber. I think it's best just to leave well enough alone, leave it as an artifact. We've investigated how it works. There's nothing to it. You plug it in, electricity happens. And that is that. It would need a new wire, a new flex, which is eminently possible. But I don't want to do it. Not today. I've just been messing with Joule toasters. They're a completely different beast. They have a mechanical countdown timer, which is completely different to how most toasters work nowadays, where they have an automatic thermocouple thing. Alright, Swan brand. Yeah, I guess crumbs could fall out there if there was crumbs in it. Plastic feet, plastic handles. Needs a clean perhaps, but it's, I think that's steel. It's got a bit of rust down there in the bottom. It's got a bit of rust in there in the corner, but the element, it's just a single element actually, wound through the top, but it looks like 2 cards. It's all okay. I suspect that's riveted on top. Could you slide the element out from below? You probably could, if you take it apart. You can have one side or two. Pretty nice, I like it. I've had it a while, I've been meaning to make this video, but there you go. There you go, a little toaster. Not good for it to wind the cord up like that, but what do you do? Swan brand. Cool, any questions about it, leave them below. Thanks for watching, see you later.